take a picture.
No, you're on fucking video, man. Marie!
Hi.
We're on a fucking holiday, we're looking for cannons. We're gonna find me some fucking cannons, man. Somewhere around here is my great granddad's cannons. I'm gonna fucking find them. Hang on. There's definite cannon trails down there. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, Barry, that was so close.
Oh shit!
You didn't touch it,
You literally.
Jesus!
You're like millimeters away.
Jeez! Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it? What are you fucking ducking for? Get on camera. Get on fucking camera, mate. Oh, yes. My fucking shoes are amazing. Oh, sweet, there's the hotel. There's our hotel, bro. Fucking sweet. Look at that.
The Swans swat 3 points above the drop zone. Middlesbrough.
Yeah, he does definitely not look disabled.
Who?
Three. So it really could be a pivotal afternoon at the stadium. Let's hear from the Swans manager.
Yeah, he might be mentally deficient.
You get him with that, can you?
I think so.
You video?
Huh?
Video?
Yeah, I am. Videoing your hatred of disabled people. Look at this smart fucking beach ball, mind. That's what it's all about.
That's where we cut that off, Barry.
Yeah. Catch a duck, win a fucking beach ball. We ain't found no cannons, mine, but...
I'm thirsty, I'm hungry.
In the Navy! Yeah, we're in the fucking Navy, bitch!
They want you, they want you, they want you as a new recruit. If you like it, bitch, don't you wait to enter the recruiting office fast. Don't you hesitate, there is no need to wait. The signing of the season back. Maybe you are too young to join up today, but
What the fuck is this about? Is that waiting area?
What?
What?
It's not like we have to wait for your chips, so can you just pull it up a little bit and hold everything else up?
Ask her where my cannons
I'm
are.
not asking me the fucking colours are.
You've got to do it.
No.
We've got to ask her where the cannons are.
I'm not even in gear, you put me off.
Fuck it, don't blame me on a drop.
What am I doing here? Where?
I don't know.
You and Keith, you know, you and Keith were over the fact that you took it down.
Oh my god.
I got the window.
Fuck up.
His latest tunes, we could slide. It's gotten more chilled, like summer house, like chilled beach house vibes.
This guy needs to shut the fuck up. Where's my cannons? What?
I really just want to turn off, drive off the hill.
We'll go off-roading, there's some sheep. Fucking... Yeah, lovely. They can hear you.
I don't think we're driving too off.
Fuck the cannons, we're gonna find the waterfall. If we just follow the river, we'll definitely reach it. I don't know. There's a river! It's there! It's there. Shit. See, I told you.
You just keep following the river. Try and find that.
Let's find the source.
Pull the thrush because it looked vile to touch. I didn't pull it, right?
I pull up with
No, I'm not doing that. And then, yeah, I had to squat over the toilet seat because I was not sitting on it. There was no seat.
Not.
No.
That's where you can see what fucking Roberts are taking them off.
Man, it's
Oh, literally.
the graffiti in there actually says "fuck my dead sister," and then someone wrote "yes, please." What the fuck?
Literally, that was the most disgusting crap I've ever been in my life.
It's in the middle of nowhere. It's fucked.
No, That was vinyl.
Why are that couple just hanging around?
They were a bit weird themselves.
Yeah, they're up to something.
That's
She's up to something.
Well,
Oh, this is the spot. Ooh.
There's a little rivulet.
Ah,
They're en route.
fucking the source. Someone's been fucking necking bleach down here.
yeah, that's what.
Necking bleach and fucking. Just neck some bleach and get me toilet brush out. This is some kinky shit. Oh, this bottle's full. It's diet though. Fuck that. We're close to Waterfalls. Finally.
Oh, there's where we are though.
Yeah, it's close enough though. Stay in this fucking road. Jesus.
We are literally in the stick.
We're gonna bump into a wild horse at any minute, I tell you.
I'm just so scared about this fucking road.
Oh, that is one big fucking waterfall. There it is, finally. Oh. We ain't going down there. Still looking good though, isn't it? Hello. Try Welsh.
It doesn't work.
Fucking hell, it's terrible. Welcome to Tonna, so they said. Oh. I think Tonna's on the list of things to do before you die.
We've got base jumping, skydiving.
Look at that place. Let's go for a drink in there. That looks alright. Yeah, less chance of a fight.
Why are we gonna get the point?
Because you're bloody English. At least I got the blood. They'll cut me open. They bleed dragon.
I breathe fire.
They bleed fire breathing dragon. I love a bit of Tonner mind. Port Talbot.
This ain't Port Talbot.
What is it then?
I don't know. It's not Port Talbot.
This is Port Talbot.
It's not.
It is?
I just know because there's a sign saying Port Talbot the other way, different direction.
Ooh. Yeah, because that's the steel works. Look, we're in fucking Port Talbot, right?
So I took my camera out. Was taking many pictures.
I'm videoing you, Joe, whilst you're doing your shit. Want a blast, smoky blast.
How we're fucking do it.
Come on, I just need a blast of smoke. Hello. I come here to see a big fucking cloud of smoke. Like I saw down the fucking way, and nothing's fucking happening. Put the call in. Call him.
Give it a call, give it a bell. Get fucking on, get a move on.
Fucking 118 the shit out of you, you cunt. Where's my cloud of smoke? Where's my money shot, bitch? There. It's there. It's somewhere over there. We gotta go there. What the fuck am I doing? don't fucking smoke cloud for shit. I'm getting in the cold. Jesus Christ. I'm really pissed. Fuck. That's it.
All I did was switch the kitchens and subtract all the birds. God, he know I'm a murderer. Half is beefing with me. I never heard of them. If I was the old me, I would murder them. Matter of fact.
On a freak. This is more like it. Fucking some of that sexy fire flame shit. Woo! I wanna freak you! I wanna freak you! Yeah! Oh, you? Every time I close my eyes, I wake up feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh, what? Where's my backing track, man? Where's my backing track? Well worth it.